Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about how can initialize the value used in web page using the AngularJS. What are the tags are used in the within the HTML? I'm using the script tag in the AngularJS URL, and next one is a div tag is a ng app, so directives, main app directives. ng-init, I have to initialize the values. I'm going to use the first name equal to John, right? The para tag, I'm within the para tag, use the span tag. The span tag ng bind that value first name. What will happen? I'm going to run the code. See, this is the name is John, right? Here this is the name is span ng bind the first name. What is the value is John. If suppose I'm going to change that value will appear or bind that value, right? I'm going to use move and right. I'm going to run the code. What will happen here? Here is move and right. Yes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and support me.